In this video, some info on the battery size that was installed in this vehicle and a step-by-step replacement with the tools you need, as well as what to expect after the installation. Access the battery in the boot by lifting the luggage compartment cover. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, and if you're new to this, just pause this video and go and watch this one. I'll post the link somewhere on the screen here. Next, you can disconnect the positive or the bracket, doesn't really matter, as long as the negative is disconnected. For the retaining bracket, you'll be looking for a long bolt here at the back, which uses the same size tool, but you can also use a screwdriver to loosen it. Once it's loose, the bracket should come out with a bolt. If yours has the vent tube connected, just pull it out and remove the old battery. We use a steel wire brush to give the terminals a good clean. You can also clean excess corrosion with a mixture of baking soda and water. When installing the new battery, connect the vent tube first to dispose of any hydrogen gas. And then slide the battery in place under this retaining lip. Connect the positive terminal and use a screwdriver to extend the terminal ends if necessary. I hope this video has helped you so far. So if you like these videos, please support our channel by hitting that subscribe button below the video. If you have already, thank you for your support. With enough patience, the bracket can now be reinstalled. There's no need for battery registration, and apart from the clock and radio settings, you shouldn't have any problems. And connect the negative terminal last. You'll need a battery around 70 amp hours with around 500 to 600 cranking amps, but I've included the dimensions as well for your reference. But we're not done just yet. Now that you've spent all this money on a new battery, you'll want to know how to make it last as long as possible. So go and watch this one quickly.